In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall YouTube TV from your device if you no longer need the app or want to free up space. Let's get started. First, it's important to note that YouTube TV isn't a standalone app on most devices. It's accessed through the YouTube app or a web browser. If you're using a smart TV, streaming device, or mobile device, follow these steps based on your platform. For smart TVs or streaming devices like Roku or Fire Stick, go to the App Store or home screen, locate the YouTube app, and select Remove or Uninstall. If you're using an Android or iOS device, press and hold the YouTube app icon until a menu appears, then select Uninstall, Android, or Delete App, iOS. Confirm the action when prompted. If you're accessing YouTube TV via a web browser, there's no app to uninstall, but you can remove login credentials by signing out of your account. Go to the YouTube TV website, click your profile picture in the top right corner, and select Sign Out. For added security, clear your browser's cache and cookies to remove saved data. Finally, if you want to cancel your YouTube TV subscription entirely, go to the YouTube TV website, navigate to Settings, Subscriptions, and select Cancel Membership. Follow the prompts to confirm your decision. Keep in mind that canceling will stop future charges, but you'll still have access to the service until the end of your billing cycle. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on managing apps and subscriptions. Thanks for watching, and I hope uninstalling YouTube TV was a smooth process for you. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.